Smart Money Nation, what's going on? I'm back at you with another video today. As always, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button. Join the Smart Money Nation. If you are subscribed, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video. Today we're going to talk about how to exactly make over $100 a day as an independent courier without using a cargo van or box truck, just using your regular small vehicle. So I got a nice documentation prepared for you guys today, so I will see you guys at the documentation. But before I go there, if you like my videos, make sure you're liking, subscribing, and sharing all my videos so we are growing as a nation, all right?
Hey, hey.
All right, so let's talk about it. Small list. It's not too much you can do, but it's a lot you can do in both sense, right? So if you just have a regular sedan, a small vehicle, you don't have a cargo van yet, you don't have a box truck yet, you can't make that investment at the moment. There are a few things that you can do to get on your journey as an independent courier without having those vehicles. So just to sum it up a bit, you can do things like Amazon Flex still allows you to do delivery routes with them with just a regular small vehicle. You have last mile delivery companies, which I'll show you in a second how to find those and how to get contracts with them. And then you have third party load providers like GoShare, and a few other ones that let you do it with just a small vehicle. And then you can contract with, parts stores. I've done this with Advanced Auto Parts. What else is there? AutoZone. There's a couple parts stores that you can do this with, and then of course you have the typical ones everybody knows about, which is like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and then Corner Shop. Corner Shop I did a whole video on in one of the videos recently. So just check that out. If you haven't checked it out, look in my one of the playlists. I don't even know which one I put it in, but you can check it out. So I pulled up Corner Shop. It's pretty much with Uber Eats. Instacart is like Corner Shop also, right? It's by Uber. What you do is you go out and purchase groceries. Basically, you just go shop for groceries for other people and deliver it to their door. It's a very lucrative thing to do right now. Just like anything else, as time goes, we don't know how lucrative it will continue to be, but that's a good option that you can take on. Uber Eats, as you can see, is another option. That's just delivering food, same as DoorDash and Amazon Flex. I've discussed a little bit in detail in other independent courier videos. You can also do this with a small vehicle. As you can see, you can make anywhere from $18 to $25 an hour doing Amazon Flex. So as far as getting contracts, courier contracts, as an independent contractor, just go ahead and hop on websites like Craigslist, Indeed, Monster, and type in the keywords route, or you see you have route right there, or type in keywords like cargo van, even though you're not going to have a cargo van, and just look at the details of what the requirements are for that particular contract or job, and it will tell you. Here it says car routes pay 100 to 125 per a route, 20 to 25 boxes, right? So this is not bad at all. Delivering 20 to 25 boxes and making 100 to 125 dollars for each time you do that. So these are some really quick ways to make over $100 a day as an independent contractor without a cargo van, without a box truck. If you haven't checked out the rest of my videos that I have on this particular topic, it is a whole segment that I did on how to become an independent courier. Just go to the playlist section in my actual channel, and you'll see right here how to become an independent courier. So just go through that. There's several videos on how to do that from step 1 to where we are right now. And then you have other playlists that I have on here about money-making opportunities and side hustles that are available. And I do talk a lot about personal credit, business credit, LLC formation and protection. It's not as simple as people think as far as just getting an LLC and that's it. There's a lot of details into that, so you might want to check that out. And one of my favorite things to do is, of course, do day trading, Forex. That I have a playlist on that also. So just check out all the other videos on my playlist. I appreciate you guys watching. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, like this video, share it with somebody that you value if you found it valuable. I will see you guys in the next video. I'm out.
Hey, hey.